Okay, this is gonna be air filter replacement on a 2016 Dodge Journey. There's the new air filter, and we got STP SA4048 is what we got. Okay, and I'm gonna pass off my camera to my cameraman.
Yep, me.
Okay, I think we just have these two clips right here, and this will lift up, and I don't see any other screws, so I think that's gonna be it. I'm hoping, at least. Pull those two down. So there's a little hook in the back, right here. It just slid right out of there. So make sure you put it back in there when you're done. There's the filter, super dirty. Let's see if I can just pull it out. Yeah, you think it was time? Okay. Let's put the new one back in. Alright, let's put the new one. Put the new one in here. Slide it down in there. There we go. Slide it in the back. Clamp number 1 and clamp number 2, and we just replaced, pointed on there, we just replaced an air filter on a 2016 Dodge Journey. Thanks for watching.